So come onto the knee and hands. Check your hands under the shoulders, hands shoulder width apart, knees under the hips, knees hip width apart. Then as you inhale, lift the leg up towards the sky. Exhale down. That you want to do about 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chain the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then lay down on the side. Then bring the hand, rest your head in the hand, comfort yourself. Once you're ready, bring your leg up about 10 times. Okay, coordinate the breath. As you inhale, open, exhale, close. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, about 10 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Switch to the other side. As you're ready, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Turn back to the side. Go to the side once again. This time you can rest your head and hand on the ground. Join the feet together. Open the knee. Close 10 times. Open, close. In this, because the movement is slightly faster, so you can keep your breathing normal. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's switch to the other side. As you're ready, open the knee and close. Open and close. Open, close, about 10 times. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then lay on your back. Palm flat on the ground. Tuck your chin to the chest. Tucking the chin means bringing the chin towards the chest. Push with your hands. Lift your hips up and down. This you're doing about 10 times also. As you inhale, you can lift up, exhale down. You can do the movement slower or faster. See how your body requires at this moment. That's good. Stretch your leg. Shake them. And bend your knees. Turn to the side to give massage to your back, releasing all the tiredness of the whole day. Hug your knees. Inhale. Exhale, lift your head, touch your forehead to the knee. Inhale, exhale down. Bring the hands on the ground, on the side. Stretch. Lift the leg on the 90 degree. Then inhale. Exhale, bring them to the right, look to the left. Inhale up. Exhale to the left, look to the right. And this you can repeat about 3 times on each side. To the right. Lift up. Inhale and exhale to the left. Inhale up. Exhale to the right. Inhale up. Exhale to the left. Inhale back. Stretch your legs out. And relax for about 30 seconds. Then once you're ready, push with your hands, sit up. Namaste.